After weeks of leaks, OnePlus has finally confirmed the launch date of its new series, the OnePlus Turbo. Includes Turbo 6 and Turbo 6V will be announced on January 8th. The OnePlus Turbo 6V will comes in Lone Black, Nova White, and Fearless Blue. OnePlus Turbo 6 Series 1.7mm ultra-thin metal cube deco. OnePlus Turbo 6V will have a flat 6.8-inch screen with a 144Hz refresh rate, supports a 1.5K resolution, and optical in-screen fingerprint sensor. The OnePlus Turbo 6V powered by the Snapdragon 7's Gen 4 chipsets, LPDDR5X RAM, and UFS 4.1 storage. Both devices will boot to ColorOS 16-based Android 16. Devices are said to pack a 9000 mAh battery with 80W wired charging. Offer 27W reverse wired charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.